Good evening. Yes, Nitish.
Ma'am, yesterday I shared my task 1, ma'am, at 4:40 p.m.
Okay. Good work, Nitish. Keep it up.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, Anjanesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anjanesh, you have submitted your task or you have some doubt?
Ma'am, I sent you today my task 3
Okay.
at 3 o'clock.
Please mention the order ID also. Which particular order ID are having this issue? You can mention it in the legend, if possible.
Okay, ma'am. Order ID.
Like, first thing is that you have to compare the billing and shipping address. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Which particular thing is having that issue? Which particular, sorry, which particular graph is actually telling that
Ma'am.
particular point?
Ma'am, authenticity of order and order by addresses. It's pie chart.
Actually, lot of fake is there. Okay. The problem
Yes,
will
ma'am.
be that billing address, lot of records are missing. So you please make a new data set in which only billing address, billing address null is not there. Okay. Like whichever record is having null, delete that entire record and make a new data set out of it.
Okay, ma'am.
For only
Got
this
it.
subtask, I am telling you, for only this subtask, you make a new record in which no nulls are there in billing address. Then when
Okay,
you
ma'am.
compare, you will get a different result. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Rest of the things
Okay,
are
ma'am.
okay. And here
Okay,
in
ma'am.
unexpected international order, try to put a legend also so that your order ID is also visible.
Okay, ma'am. Got it.
Okay.
Ma'am, hello.
Amrita, yes.
Hello.
Yes, Abhishek.
Ma'am, this is Abhishek here. Ma'am, I have submitted my third and fourth task on Friday.
On which
So
date?
yours of
Abhishek?
Friday, ma'am.
On which
Last
date?
Friday. Ma'am. Friday, ma'am. 2, I think so. December 2. Ma'am.
Yes, correct. In your case also same issue is there. Order ID is not mentioned and when shipping address and billing address are different, that thing is having lot of records. The
In the
problem
last
over
meeting, you have said, yeah, ma'am, in last meeting you have said this correction only you have. So only I changed that only that alone. But I don't know what
what
is the
was the
mistake in
correction that I mentioned?
the same mistake you have been said last class.
Yeah.
Like that, but I have corrected this time, ma'am. What is wrong? I don't. Ma'am, you have said that in last class. Yeah.
This is corrected form of it.
Ma'am?
This is corrected form of the earlier one.
Yeah, ma'am.
In unexpected international order, you have taken India.
Yeah, ma'am. Only in my data set, only India is there. So only I taken India.
How come others are getting other states and things also? Why in your data
Because
this issue is there?
in some of the field there are missing data, ma'am. In that, so only I have
No,
removed all that.
for different. See, in this case, you have done any change in data set? In the first subtask, I am asking. What you have to do is that eliminate all For only this subtask, make a new data set. For only this subtask, I'm telling you, make a new
Okay,
data set in which in billing address there are no nulls, so that you can easily
Okay.
compare whether they are same or not. If billing address is missing, you will not be able to compare. Now, if something is empty, we can't say whether it is the same thing or not.
Okay,
Wait a
okay,
second.
okay. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So, in case of unusual large orders, you have to mention the order ID. Order ID is not there. In this case, you have to mention
In that I have
which
mentioned the
particular
count, I
countries
think
are
so.
having that issue and what are the order ID. And here you have to mention that what are the addresses which are having the issue of different payment method. Like
Oh,
this
okay.
thing you can see. This is the dashboard done by other student. You can see over here. Okay. This thing that person
Okay.
need to correct. But this one you can see like both payment method is
Okay,
coming now. So this is the correct thing.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay,
And
okay.
whichever order ID is greater than 50, order ID is mentioned in the legend as well as it is shown in the x-axis too. Okay. And here in the unexpected international order, order ID needed to be added also, but rest of the things are all good. IND is not there. So this is how you should do. Okay.
Okay,
Understood?
okay.
Okay.
Also, I have done the fourth task.
Ma'am, can you check my third task?
Yes, Rishabh.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
also I have done my
Wait,
fourth task
Rishabh, I
also.
have to check his fourth task also. Okay. Then I will
Okay,
check
ma'am.
your task.
Okay, ma'am.
This is regarding laptops, na Abhishek?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
You have to identify which laptop are best. I mean, which laptop is having all the good
Yeah,
features.
ma'am. In the last time you have said that among the laptop, which is the best? Yeah, you asked me to collect the top 10 laptop which has been
Top 10
sold in
plus
that.
which is the best, which is appearing best in all the features.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I have done that.
Okay. So where it is written, can you please tell me?
On the second page, I think so.
This is the second page, no? This is first page.
First, sorry, sorry, first page, first one. I
Selling
think so.
companies is not required, Abhishek. We need the laptop itself, no?
Huh?
We need the laptop itself. There will be some name for the laptop, no? We need
Okay,
that
okay.
name actually.
All combined together, I have mentioned that that selling laptop, I think so. Based on
No,
the
Abhishek. See,
specification of.
if you are in a company and if you want to sell the laptop and all, which are having all good features, will you go for
Okay.
checking the company or will you go for laptop itself? This data will not help you na, to purchase a particular laptop and sell it.
Okay.
You
I will make
understood my
changes.
point? Think
Yeah.
according to the person who is dealing with an e-commerce business.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so what is the requirement of that person is that that person require actually those laptop which are very affordable as well as having many good features. So try to
Okay.
find out those laptops which are having those features. Okay, you understood my point?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Rishabh, you
Yeah, ma'am.
asking now.
I've mailed you my task 3. And actually, ma'am, I could not get my task 2 also reviewed due to some reason. So can you please review that too?
Yes.
I've mailed you all together yesterday evening.
Okay. See, it is taking time to load. When you are sending the link, the things will be very fast. Okay, it's taking too much time. Then I have to download. Then I have to see. It's a tedious process. That's why I'm telling you always send me the link.
Okay, ma'am. Next time I'll send you the link. कितना टाइम लगेगा?
मुझे तो टाइम लगेगा। मुझे क्या ना बोलेगा तो?
हाँ,
चाट के बना।
कॉफी बना दो।
कॉफी बना।
कौन?
नहीं, कॉफी बना। वो कोई ना।
हम लोग को उतना हार्ड नहीं, हल्का कॉफी डालिएगा।
कॉफी बना।
इसको बंद मत करना। मेरा असल में क्लास, मेरा लैपटॉप खराब हुआ पड़ा है तो क्लास चल रहा है।
थोड़ा सा मुझे थोड़ा।
अरे करो ना, आपको मना किया क्या? मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसको बंद मत करना।
ठीक है।
वो मेरे को दे दो, वो चार्जर निकाल के।
Is there any filter in it so that you can check according to the?
Yes, ma'am. We can, if we click on the year, so we can this line chart
Okay.
goes according to the year.
Okay. What about the last thing? That
Ma'am,
is,
actually my time, actually I was having issues with my time because when I was filtering my time, it like the time is showing 000.
don't use time
I don't
function,
know.
use hour function, HOUR. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, I used the hour function. Still, it was showing 00 hours. That's why I could not do that. I tried a lot for that.
Okay.
It was showing some error.
Yeah, please try again because in many of the classes I have shown you how to extract the hour and all.
Yes, ma'am. I actually did according to you. How did you show in that function? But I tried and it didn't work. That's why.
You can work out. Two,
Yeah, ma'am.
three.
Rest all is ma'am okay, na?
Rest it all. Okay, all good.
Okay.
6. Evelyn Boria. Before deciding it was time to return to school, Evelyn Boria spent several years working in the entertainment
Yeah, sure. Wait, wait.
Housewives. Character Gabrielle Solis. She was already making a respectable living. She was surprised to find that she still felt the need to return to school. So the actress enrolled in classes at California State University, Northridge. She ultimately completed the course at the age of 38 and was prepared to
Try to add the order ID also, okay?
The actress advised her followers
Okay,
to
ma'am.
challenge themselves to venture outside of
What
their
is
comfort
this
zone.
regarding large orders?
Ma'am, this three small orders are like which is amount of 50,000, and those pink and the violet are like crossing the amount of 50,000. The bar.
How can this even be
Work on this one. Actually, order ID is required. Their address are different. Okay?
A woman has 7 children.
Okay, ma'am.
and
Rest of the things are all good. Only work on this one. Their order ID is different.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Rest all is perfect.
Yeah, you have sent me 2 tasks only, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That too I have corrected. Rest of the things are all good.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what about the attendance sheet? How do we have to submit that?
You submit it to Provincer's mail ID. In the intern policy,
Sorry, ma'am.
in the intern policy, that particular PDF, na Provincer's mail ID is there. Praveen@yoshop.com.
Throughout his career, Justin
Okay,
Bieber
okay,
has
ma'am.
dabbled with developing his own
Fine, thank
distinctive
you.
look.
Welcome.
He was very
Amrita?
into the baggy phase at one point.
Are you
Still
there?
was
ma'am.
able to
Yes,
perform
Amrita.
his style with ease, despite
Ma'am,
the
how
fact that
many
Please
tasks do
mute
we
your
have to
audio.
submit in a week?
Amrita, you please keep it as it is. Rest of you, please mute your audio.
older and more sophisticated.
Some sound is coming.
Instead,
Sagar,
he can
I
be
think
seen
it's from
wearing a
you.
sharp three-piece suit on the red carpet. Just take a look at him during the 2017 Grammys, looking like $1,000,000 in all black.
What is this happening?
Gold blonde hair,
Please
mustache,
don't
and
disturb the
goatee.
class. Those who have no, those who are not active right now, please mute your audio. All of you. Otherwise, I will stop the class right now.
Madam, you might have the option to mute all the.
Yeah, I muted him. I
Ma'am,
don't
may
know
I
why they
continue?
are doing like this. Okay, Amrita.
Ma'am, I have one doubt. How many tasks do we have to submit in a week? Do we have weekly
One
tasks as per the
task
first
only
week?
is enough, Amrita. But if you actually want to do next task, you can go for that.
Okay, ma'am.
Only one
I
task.
just joined the class this Monday. So the first task is to create pie chart and bar chart of weekly, monthly, yearly shop survey. When do we have to submit those?
By this week, by next Monday. Yes.
By next Monday. Okay. And ma'am, when do we have to send the attendance sheet to Praveen sir? Is it every day or once
Not
in
every
week?
day, weekly.
Any day in a week?
No, you have joined on Monday, right? This Monday.
Yeah.
You have to submit it on next Monday.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Shimpi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is the doubt?
Ma'am, actually, I'm doing task 4.
Okay.
So I'm trying to web scraping the laptop data, but I am facing a issue regarding tables. Can I show my screen?
Yes, sure. If you're having a problem with Power BI, you try with Python. Okay. In Python, web scraping is quite, that process is quite good. Wait a second, I will stop sharing. Okay, by mistake I have done that. Okay. Shimpi, if there is problem with Power BI, you can go with Python too. Okay, because in Power BI, many features are limited.
Actually, not with the Power BI. I will show you.
Okay.
I don't know how to explain actually. Ma'am, I get this data from Chrome. So there is no column regarding the features and other things of the about laptop.
Okay. So you
Only in one column, everything is described. Column 1.
you do one thing, you filter the price first of all. Because we
Yes,
need the laptop which are under 20,000, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
First of all, filter that one. Whichever laptop you are getting, you go through the page of that particular laptop and try to extract the data corresponding to it.
Yes, ma'am. From Amazon, I did like you say. So
Yeah, rating is coming and anything else?
no, ma'am. Nothing is coming. So I don't know what to do.
Okay. Better you go with Python programming. That would be better.
Okay, so I have to install Python. I don't know about Python actually.
IMDb, you go through the video in which IMDb, rating is mentioned. That is actually basically used for web scraping and all. That will help you a lot.
Okay. Okay. Okay, I will try out that also.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Could you check my
With Python, you can use beautiful soup.
Yes, Ibrahim. You have sent it on my official mail ID.
No, I said that for the one who would like to scrap, you can use beautiful soup or
Okay. Yeah,
scrap.
correct. Yes, Ibrahim is so as Ibrahim told you the same way you can use beautiful soup or selenium, those kind of packages you can use to web
Yeah,
scrap
or
things.
scrap.
Correct.
Okay.
Thank you, Ibrahim.
Okay, I will try. Definitely, I will try.
Yeah.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Ashutosh.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, I have sent you my tax 3 today on 3:50 p.m. So can you
Okay.
please check on your personal mail ID?
Personal, okay. Try to send it to my official mail ID itself, okay? So,
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
even I have
Ashutosh.
sent
Yes, I got it, Ashutosh.
Ma'am, is there a problem or everything seems okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Small problem is there. I will share the screen. Wait. Okay. This one is okay. Shipping address different from billing address. It is okay. It is correct. And in this case, number of billing address, number of shipping address, number of orders, it is not required. Number of orders is not required. And why this number
Okay,
of
ma'am.
shipping and billing address? It is not at all required. They are asking you the multiple orders with same address and different payment method. So you have to take street address in x-axis and payment method in y-axis in stack column chart. Right? Try that one.
Okay, ma'am.
And in this
Okay.
case, actually, you are taking states. It is, they are asking about unusual large orders, na? So whichever order is having value greater than 50,000, you have to figure out that thing. Okay. And unexpected international order, it is not correctly mentioned that which order is having the issue. So that too you have to check. Okay.
Ma'am,
This one
in
is correct.
on next week.
This one is
Ma'am,
okay.
in okay.
Rest of the things you
Uh,
have to work on.
Ma'am, in last unexpected international orders, the
Unexpected
country that have,
international orders. There is a country code, na, like IND, that kind of things are there. You can check out in
yeah,
the
ma'am. Okay, ma'am, I have mentioned those country in the graph for those who have the
country
external
is okay,
orders.
but we need the order ID, na. If you are, if just think like a person who is handling a e-commerce website. Okay, so you need actually the order ID or the person name, whoever is under suspicious category, right? This order ID is actually required. Okay, and line item name, shipping, state, city. This thing you have to check out, shipping country. Okay. Whichever
ma'am.
shipping country is not IND, that will be international, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Like in this, there are some orders, it is not shown over here. Yeah, you can see FRA, MYS, MYS, AFG, GND. Other than IND, they are come under the international orders. Okay, so you have to filter out those order ID. Like you have to filter out
Okay,
this
ma'am.
particular order ID. Okay, and you will check it. This order ID you have to check out. And like that, many other.
Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
Hello, ma'am. Please check mine also.
Yes,
Sharath. Hello.
one by one. Yes, Sharath. Okay, Pallavi. Okay, Pallavi, please tell me.
Ma'am, this task for data analyst or data science?
This is for data analyst students. You are from which batch?
I'm from the team 44 data science batch.
Oh, Pallavi, sorry. By mistake, you have joined this class, I guess. I have sent it in your group too. Link. Link is there in your group. I don't think I have not shared it yet. This is
Hello?
for this is for data analyst student only, Pallavi.
Yeah, that's why I just want to ask this because I don't understand anything.
Okay, okay, no issues. You can leave.
Sorry.
Okay, no problem at all.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, I have sent the task to
Yes,
personal
Sharath.
mail.
You have sent it. Okay.
Personal mail ID.
Personal mail ID. Okay. Sharath Kulkarni, right? In your case also, Sharath, actually, you have to clarify things a little bit. Okay, I will tell you. Wait a second. Share the screen. See, here you are comparing shipping address with billing address, but you have to find out the order ID.
We have to say that this order is fake.
Yeah, wait. Like, paper. Find the order ID. I have clearly mentioned it. Find the order ID satisfying the following condition. Okay, these many. And present all the subtasks in the form of chart. So it should be in chart form as well as order ID should be there, like in this case. Okay, but these many large orders are not there. What is the cutoff that you have taken?
It's not.
It is not. It is somewhat not correct. I think no, it is not correct at all. Unusual large orders means the those orders which are having a price greater than 50,000. Okay, it is mentioned cutoff is 50 rupees, 50,000 rupees. Okay, please work on that thing. Okay.
The first two, right?
And in case of multiple, yes, I will come back to you. I'm reviewing this task now.
For this,
You have to fill yeah, street address. Count of order is not to be taken. You have to take the payment method only. Count of order should not be taken. Okay. International order count is not required, Sharath. We need the order ID itself. You put the order ID over here. Okay. Whichever is having the problem.
yeah, right.
Understood my point? Okay. And in this case also you what is one, what is two? One represent different address and two represent. One represent different address and two represent different address.
I have not saved that.
Okay, you please work on it. Actually, what is required is what you have to do is you have to delete all the null for this subtask only. For only this one, you make a new data set for only this one, not for others. Okay, you make a new data set in which billing address is all there. No nulls are there in billing address. Okay, then you compare it with the help of if condition. And whichever is having the problem of different address, you please filter out that thing only. Like you can put it in a tree map or something else. Okay. Yes. Who was asking?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Uday.
Ma'am.
Uday,
I've sent you task to Saturday. Task 2.
Saturday.
Yes, ma'am, Saturday.
Good work, Uday. Keep it up.
What, ma'am?
Good work, I am saying.
Okay. Ma'am, anything need to change?
No, not as. No, it's all good. Tripti, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I have sent my task day before yesterday.
Okay. In which mail ID, Tripti?
Ma'am, on your official ID.
When you will find it, please tell me, okay?
Before It was there before Prachi or something.
You found it right now? Ah, yes, okay.
Yes, ma'am. It's there.
Okay, Tripti, please send the link only. Here also order ID should be there, Tripti. The same problem is there with this task. Okay, like you have to find out the order ID which are coming under suspicious category. Multiple order to same address with different payment method. What is this gray colored thing?
Ma'am, it's the other, which has not used both the payments method.
Filter out it because we don't know what it is. We need only the address in which clearly we can see that whether two different payment method are there or not. And don't take the count order. Instead of that, you take payment method over here.
Okay, ma'am.
Unexpected order. You are having the same issue as I already told for some another student, I think Sharad. Here also unexpected order. We need the order ID actually. Okay, this one is all good. Like unusual large order. But this many are there. This many orders are there above 50,000. No, right?
No, ma'am.
It is showing 2,000 only. Sum of line item should not be taken, Tripti. I have mentioned here, cutoff is 50,000. Right? That means I'm telling you about the price only. At a time, a person is actually purchasing a something that is of high price. We have to filter out those orders only. Okay, you understood my point? Instead of sum of line quantity, take the price, the total whatever is there regarding a particular order.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. You try to and in this case also you have to first of all remove all the nulls. Only for this data set, make a only for this subtask, make a new data set in which there is no nulls in billing address, and then you have to compare it and put the order ID also in the visual. Okay.
Ma'am, so should I remove all the null orders and also
No. In case of first subtask only, where they are asking for matching the shipping and billing address, only for that subtask you make a new table in which in case of billing address no nulls are there. Okay, understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, good.
Ma'am, can you
Thank
check please chat with me?
Naladeep, which task you have mailed?
I actually, ma'am, I am working on task 2, but I have one doubt that for the each problem statement, we have to create only one chart, or we can create more than one.
One chart is enough for that. Not more than one chart. If you want to convey more than one chart, that's your wish, but one chart is enough for it.
Okay, fine. Thank
But you have to choose the correct chart so that everything is clearly displayed. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Ananya, what you want to ask?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Ananya. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. I'm from batch 21.
Yes, Ananya.
And, I'm working on task 1, but I'm having a doubt that in order list, there are total three sheets.
Yes.
Online class, toys, and one more something is there. So
Yes.
do we have to prepare charts for these three sheets separately, or we have
Not
to make all?
separately, in the same project itself, you can do everything. You can upload different tables in single project. No issues with that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes,
Thank you.
Prachi. Prachi, what you want to say?
Ma'am, I submitted my task 3 on a Monday.
Task 3 on Monday. Okay. Prachi. Official mail ID, Prachi?
Yeah.
Your name is Prachi Bharatwaj, and can you please help me to find it? I will share the screen. Prachi Bagde is there, and your name is Prachi Bharatwaj, right? This particular task, now Bharatwaj Prachi. Yeah, you have mentioned the order ID too, right? Okay. Remove this others. It is not required over here. Okay. And in this case also you have to use payment method over here. Then only you will get it in correct way. Remove that others. Okay. And it's okay. Prachi, only this many are having more than 50,000.
Yeah, ma'am.
And this value is actually their price. Count of total, order number with count of total. Not only two, more than two will be there, Prachi. You please check this one, okay? You please check out this particular subtask, okay? Yes, who is next?
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
Deepak.
Yes, Deepak.
Ma'am, I sent you my task 3 on Monday on your official mail.
In case of unexpected international large orders, now you please put the order ID too. Okay, Deepak? In
Ma'am,
case of,
if you click any country just like so, you can get the information in the fake buyer information tab.
yeah, that is true. But
So, ma'am,
in the
I just
tooltip is the yeah, what you were saying?
ma'am, the same thing that if you click on the pre, then the fake buyer information should be there in the middle of the tab. So I designed this kind of dashboard, you know.
Okay, no issues.
Then that is correct, ma'am.
Yeah, yes, correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Shravani?
Yeah, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, Shravani, what was your doubt?
I have submitted task 5 on December 1st.
December 1st?
Yeah.